quality policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commit to provide quality higher professional, technical, institution, research assistation, and production service, advanced studies in progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering, and computer studies, industry and technology, arts and science, tourism, business, and public administration. To achieve this special, deliver quality service to stakeholders, adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards, adopt change in education system as required by law, forge agreement with the SACs and line agencies locally and internationally, update the qualification and stated competencies of faculty members, improve its scale, process of procedure in delivering quality instruction and relevant research and extension service, and pursue continual improvement and quality management system as higher learning institution and